Well, hello, my algebra students. I'm not going to give you any more homework. I'm just have four problems I want you to do. I want you to do these two, and I want you to do these two. Then I will do them for you. So these two and these two. Sorry, it froze for a second there. Don't know why. But do them and then turn me back on after you have those four done. Okay, well, welcome back. Now, amazingly enough, you probably don't remember, but we actually did absolute value equals problems. But you start off the same way. You break it up into two parts. So you write it assuming the inside's positive. So what numbers did I put in for x that would cause this to be positive? If it's positive, you just drop it. Then what do I put in to cause it to be negative? Ooh. So the opposite to take care of that case. And if it's equals, it's always or. So you solve, you add 6. So 2x equals 16. Divide by dose. X equals 8. Now remember, you do have homework due on Thursday, I believe I said. Was it Thursday? Yeah, I think it was Thursday. So subtract 6. So negative 2x equals 4. Divide by negative 2. X equals negative 2. Now since it's equals when you graph it, it's just a solid dot. So dot 8 dot. Now let's check, see if it works. 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Minus 6 is 10. Absolute value 10 is that. Then a negative 2 times 2 is a negative 4. Minus 6 is negative 10. Absolute value is 10. So, okay, this one. Break it up into two parts. 3x minus 6 is greater than 12. Greater than or is or greater. The opposite. 3x minus 6 is greater than 12. So we're going to add 6. And then divide by 3. See, this is the review for tomorrow's test. And then take the opposite. Of course, absolute value won't be on tomorrow's test, but ands and ors are. So subtract 6, so negative 3x is greater than 6. Divide by negative 3. X is less than negative 2. So graphically, you need all the numbers less than negative 2. And all the numbers greater than 6. Now this problem is less than. That is and. Oh shoot, I messed up this thing. I didn't mean to. Well, hopefully it's still working. So 4 minus x is less than or equal to 10. And the opposite, less than or equal to 10. So we subtract 4. I touched something wrong. That's why it's so bright in spots now. Sorry. I don't know what I did. So take the opposite, but whenever you take the opposite, you gotta switch the inequality. Then this one, distribute the negative. Then I'm going to add 4. So x is less than or equal to 10. I hope you can see this. This is 14. So it's all the numbers between negative 6 and 14. And it's solid dots because there's equals. Now this is a typical and when you're using absolute value. So last one, 1/2 x minus 1 is greater than 6. Greater is or. Then the opposite. So we would add 1. So 1/2 x is greater than 7. multiply by 2. 2 times a half is 1. This one, distribute the negative. Subtract 1. So negative 1/2 x is greater than 5. Then multiply by negative 2. So x is less than negative 10. And the typical OR for absolute value, we got it going this way. And then you have one going this way. Well, hopefully you got them right. I just want, like I said, do a little review of absolute value. So hopefully you have a good rest of the day. Hopefully you made a lot of money shoveling. Well, have a good day.